Hey YouTube, and welcome back to another unboxing video. As you can see here, today we've got the Ray-Ban Metas. Show you here what the box looks like. This is the back of it. You guys can go ahead and pause right here and read through this if you'd like. Biggest takeaway was made for iPhone, as you can see right down here. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. Listen, call, live stream. Very nice. Oh, wow. Kind of just opens up, just like that. Got the case. There's something else right here. If I can get this sucker out. How do you take this thing out? Oh, okay. Little get started pamphlet. Want your smart glasses with precision lenses. Okay. See what else is in here. Safety and warranty. Okay. There's something stuck in here, but I can't see to get it out. That's it. This is the little, whatever you want to call this, the handkerchief, the lens cleaner. I don't wear glasses, so I don't know what people normally call this. What do you guys refer this to? Let me know in the comments below. It comes with that, safety warranty, get started guide. And this is if you'd want to get your smart glasses with prescription lenses. Cool. Okay, case is brown. See, it's got a button right here. Ray-Ban logo, real nice. Go ahead and open her up. Oh, it turns green. Let's close it back. Stays green. Open it back up. Green again, nice. All right, let's open her up. That's what inside of it looks like. Ray-Ban Meta. Pretty good quality. It's like a kind of a leather. It's nice. And these are the glasses. Pop it open here. Let's slide these out. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It sort of feels like a regular Ray-Bans. You don't even know. So right here on the left and right here on the right, you see the lenses. Okay, there's a button right here. Nothing on the back end except for two little holes, one right here, one right here. No idea what these two things are. I think those are the speakers. Let's go ahead and test them out. I want to put them on, get some videos, some photos to go along with this. So I'll be right back. Stick around. How's the audio sound? You guys tell me. All right, here we are driving. Windows down. This is your normal audio. Right through glasses. Right through the glasses. You guys tell me. Be the judge. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? What does it look like?